Hey guys, it's me, X, and today I am going to be playing the new Sega Sonic Origins. Furnace update. Or so small fun. Obviously, I'm going to play myself. So let's get playing! Alright, set 666. Alright, let's go. Oh, this is pink. This is a pink, I say. Oh. Ooh. Nice. Is he not talking? Got him. Gotcha. You. Rust bucket. Locking on target. Ah! This is perfect. Oh no. Got him. Keep up the pace, pal. Pathetic. You really are that weak. Now, on to round 2. Oh, this is peak. Oh, this is peak. Alright, who did that? Oh no. Ah! My rings! Are there no spikes? Oh no. Got him. Easy. I'm gone. Good. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Boom! 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 You're going to die. Get you. What's up? Ah! My rings! No! No! Damn it! This is gonna take a long time to finish. Help. Please. Pretty please. Guys, please. Help. Help. Help! No! Oh, for God's sake! Alright. Let's go, let's go. Come on. Oh. I will die if I miss one single jump. Please, give me a ring! I need a ring, for God's sake. What's all this, honey? No! You know what? I'm just gonna stop. So I died. I hate this. very beginning. Let's go. Oh wait, I could just do this forever. I forgot I could do that. Alright, let's do this. Yes, I am big evil. I got it all figured out. How many more times do I gotta do this? Got him. Yeah. Yeah, go. Oh. This is not looking good for you, Sonic. Sonic.
No matter how many times we meet, I will not fail.
Yeah, right. Come on. Come at me, you damn roast. Oh shit. Oh no. Oh no.
You're ready.
Where is he? Hold on. So I turned the graphics down. My PC cannot handle all that. Wow, Ness. You're such a fraud. Is that the supersonic LMS from the hit game? Or my hit game? Come on, go up! Go up, please, go up! Got him. Easy. You are such a fraud. Blue now? How laughable.
Sonic the Hedgehog.
Wow, I'm so scared. I'm not afraid of you. You damn Ultimaker. Why did Eggman do this? Easy. Alfred. I am God. Oh no. Oh yeah. Time for my ultimate move. That was easy. Alright,
That was fun,
Sonic.
but I got a redhead on the loose.
Nice.
See ya.
Sonic, oh my god, Sonic. Why'd you do that, Sonic? You absolute fool, Sonic. Anyways, that was the first boss fight. See you all soon. Eventually.